The new Tesla Pi phone has been making waves recently, and from the looks of it, this phone will likely throw the Apple iPhone brand off the tech market. With its insane features and top-notch design, it's definitely going to give the iPhone a run for its money. If you think I'm wrong, then you should stick around to the end of this video to find out why the Tesla phone Pi will beat the Apple iPhone. Tesla Pi versus Apple iPhone. As we know, Tesla sells the most electric vehicles today. At the same time, SpaceX is launching satellites to orbit at a breakneck speed for itself and other clients. It is also taking NASA astronauts to space and returning them. Musk also has millions of fans who undoubtedly like to use a phone made by Elon Musk. Apple has been linked to rumors that it has been making an electric car for a long time. Once Elon Musk tried to sell Tesla and send an offer to Apple, but unfortunately, he was called production hell when the automaker was in deep crisis. Elon Musk didn't even get a chance to meet Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple. After then, with dedication and hard work, Tesla survived and since blossomed. It will be interesting to see how the Tesla Model Pi stands against the Apple iPhone. Production. The production of both phones differ in major ways. You see, the Apple company doesn't handle the production of their phones. All they do is send out designs and specifics to producing companies, and they even import many parts from different companies, even its competitor Samsung. On the other hand, for the Tesla Pi phone, it'd be pretty shocking if they actually sent out their designs to other companies for production. You see, the company has a record of producing their own designs, so they will make all the parts of the mobile phone. However, building a plant for making phones is quite different from electric vehicle plants. Features. When it comes to the features of both phones, the Tesla Pi seems to have more to offer than the iPhone. I mean, the last time I checked, the iPhone did not have the 5G feature. The Tesla Model Pi would be enabled with Starlink technology, implying that the phone would have capabilities to make it perfectly functional anywhere on Earth or even on Mars. The Tesla company will have satellite-enabled smartphones that would work where traditional Wi-Fi or 5G could not travel. With the Tesla Pi phone, we may live our dreams of having to access the internet no matter where we are in the world. On the other hand, the iPhone can only offer its users 4G and a strong Wi-Fi connection. However, I'm pretty sure that when you're stuck in the woods, it reads, "No service." That will not happen with the Tesla Pi phone. That isn't even the craziest, mind-blowing feature that the Tesla Pi phone offers. I mean, this feature will literally blow your mind. The Smart Pi phones would come with a brain phone interface designed by Neuralink, a neurotechnology company founded by Elon Musk and several others. Known for developing implantable brain-machine interfaces that can be used as a connection between the human brain and technology. This company was originally set to assist people with paralysis to easily operate their phones and computer directly with their brains. Let me tell you how it works. When you use the Pi phone, you may simply think about calling a friend. The Pi phone will make that call for you without touching it or even making any movements at all. Well, I understand that iPhone has a Siri feature, which has been very helpful for most of its users, but last I checked, Siri doesn't go alakazam on iPhone owners. Unlike the Tesla Pi, you need to activate the Siri feature on the iPhone by either talking or making some movements. Not with the Tesla Pi though. That phone is psychic. We've all heard solar lamps, inverters, and panels, you name it. But the idea of a solar-powered phone has stayed just what it is over the years, an idea. However, Elon Musk may just be ready to bring that idea to life with the Tesla Pi phone. The Tesla Model Pi phone will have a solar charging feature and a skin that changes color to futuristic designs. The mobile device will possess a solar panel that can possibly charge up a phone in just about 30 minutes with the help of sunlight. This is not difficult for Tesla to achieve, as it has a solar panel production facility. The unusual case cover also makes another interesting feature for the mobile device. Reports say that the device will be able to change color and designs with the words of the mouth just like that. If anyone is knocking at your door with these features, it certainly isn't Apple's iPhone. Camera. Phone brands have been able to trap their customers with quality cameras and a clear view. And by phone brands, I specifically mean Apple. The Apple iPhones are known to have the best lenses and cameras on a mobile phone, and many tech experts have attributed their wide scale to the quality of their cameras. Anyway, the Tesla Pi phone camera may give the iPhone a run for its money with the new and incredible features it offers. The camera setups of the two phones are remarkably similar, based on concepts floating around. The latest and most powerful iPhone, the iPhone 13 Pro, has 3 lenses. At the back of the Tesla Model Pi phone has been shown to have 4 lenses. The iPhone takes excellent pictures, including wide lens photos, but the Model Pi phone can do more. With the Tesla Model Pi phone, you can point them in the starry sky and click the high quality and high resolution images without the need for long exposure. You can also use one lens to take a picture while another lens captures a video front. Design. At this stage, the iPhone is popular for its notch screen. In fact, Apple made the design famous for the notch houses in the front camera and other sensors. However, while the other phone makers have tried different designs like a punched camera, Apple has only minimized the size of the notch. The Model Pi comes with neither a notch nor a punch. It is a screen continuous and pleasing to look at. Tesla has put the camera under the screen. The Model Pi phone has a camera under the screen, but what the iPhone lacks is the fingerprint scanner. You will unlock your Tesla phone by placing your finger on one part of the screen, which is a very convenient method. iPhone has a textured matte glass back that can crack when dropped. If you use a cover, you will hide the prominent Apple logo at the back. The Tesla Model Pi has a prominent logo on the back, but the phone can change colors based on sunlight due to the photochromatic coating. The iPhone charges through a port or wirelessly, which complaints are rampant about how slow the latter is compared to other flagship phones, while wireless charging has not been confirmed for the Pi phone. Tesla versus Apple operating system. One of the best things about Apple iPhone is its unique operating system, and over the years, the company has tried to enhance the iPhone processor every year. Although the improvements have not been threatening the balance of the Earth for the past few years, the most advanced phone has the A15 Bionic chipset, with one more extra GPU in their flagship model phone. On the other hand, Tesla did not release the details of the upcoming processor. It is an open secret that Tesla Mobile will have a powerful processor because the Model Pi will mine cryptocurrency. The Tesla Model Phone Pi is set to hit the market with full force, and it may come just like the Apple iPhone did. It will have its unique qualities and specifications, and even more interestingly, it will have its operating system. The phone will not run on the regular Android operating system, but Tesla's mobile operating system. Is Tesla real or fake? The Apple iPhone is very real, and from the sale of 200 million units, people worldwide can testify to that. The Tesla phone, on the other hand, seems like a fairy tale, and from the looks of things, it may actually be fake. Here's how we know. You see, before a Tesla product is released, the company makes an announcement a couple years before the actual release. But so far, there has been no announcement of that sort. Neither has Elon Musk openly confirmed the idea and production of the phone. He made a Twitter post where he confirmed that the company would not be making phones. The tweet read, "Smartwatches and phones are yesterday's technology. Neuralinks are the future." The rave of the Tesla phone started in February 2020, when Italian graphic designer Antonio De Rosa published a brief YouTube video and portfolio page showing off his idea of what a dream Tesla smartphone might look like. We hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel for updates on all the latest tech news and what to look out for.